Rationalizing the Denominator. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. How to multiply brackets containing surds. 2. How to use special algebraic identities to write expressions containing surds in a simple way. 3. What does rationalizing the denominator mean? 4. How to rationalize the denominator of a fraction if it contains only a surd and nothing else. 5. How to rationalize the denominator of a fraction if it contains only a surd multiplied by a number. 6. How to rationalize the denominator of a fraction if it contains a binomial. 7. How to rationalize the denominator when an entire fraction is inside a root. Introduction. This tutorial is about rationalizing the denominator. This means you are going to learn how to get rid of roots when they are in the denominator of a fraction. However, first, it is worth explaining what happens when two or more brackets containing surds are multiplied to each other. Knowing this will be helpful in a better understanding of denominators rationalization. Thus, in a certain sense, the first part of this tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial, especially its concluding part. That is all for introduction to rationalizing the denominator. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 7.5.1, Multiplying Brackets Containing Surds. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.